I didn't just jump online and make my first $100. I wasted time, I spent money, I made mistakes, and honestly, I'm a bit embarrassed about some of the things that I've tried. Courses, platforms, you name it, late night, YouTube binge watching sessions. I chased so many strategies that I almost gave up before I even started. But when I finally simplified everything, that's when it all clicked. And I made my first $100 online while still working a full-time job and raising my family. Let me walk you through the mistakes that I made and what finally worked. At the beginning, every new idea looked like the answer. Amazon FBA, dropshipping, printables, AI content. I get excited for a bit, spend time researching, and before I even finished, boom, another opportunity pops up on my feed. It wasn't that those things didn't work, it's just that I never stuck around long enough to master it, and as a result of it, never made money. I spent thousands on courses thinking that this would give me the shortcut, but I was consuming more than what I was creating. I wasn't testing, I was binge learning, and in fact, I was actually stuck. If I'd used the time to take action on even one idea, I would have earned that $100 way sooner. I tried to be on every platform because that's what I was being told that I needed to do. So YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, you name it. But all I did was just split my focus and my attention and actually slow down my progress. So when you're starting out, you actually don't need to be everywhere. You just need one platform that fits your life as well as your strengths. So here's what actually worked for me. I chose one platform, and that platform was YouTube. I realized that I enjoyed creating longer form content like the one that you're watching right now, where I could teach people something and I could actually add value to their lives. I chose one method, and that method was affiliate marketing. I realized at that point in time that I didn't have the time available to make courses, to be able to do drop shipping and all those things. And the easiest thing at that point in time was affiliate marketing. And then the third aspect was I chose one offer. And this was something that I was already using, something that I honestly believed could help other people because it helped me. You see, when I started affiliate marketing, I started doing software reviews and I started promoting stuff on Amazon, and I was all over the place trying to drive traffic to different offers. And it wasn't always things that I was truly passionate about that I really believed could help people, but I was trying to make money. But when I focused on one product that I was actually using and I became an expert in that particular product, and I'll share what that is after this, it just made things a lot easier. I made a simple video showing how I use a particular software, and this particular software was a video editing software. It's a software that I had been using for a couple of months, and I was by no means an expert, but I knew a lot more than most people about this software, so I could document how I used a particular aspect of the software, and that's the key part, guys. I didn't have a long tutorial teaching every aspect of the software. I had a 5-minute video, hardly any editing. I just added value and I showed people how they could use it, and I had my affiliate link at the bottom of that video, and that was it. Another thing that I did differently when I was doing affiliate marketing the other way, where I was just reviewing lots of different things, I posted on social media, on my blog posts, and in this case, I didn't do that. I just created the YouTube video, added value, used a searchable term on YouTube, and as a result of that, people started to watch. And as they watched, eventually somebody clicked on my affiliate link and signed up for the software, and I made my first commission. It was just a couple of dollars at the time, and it wasn't $1,000 sale, it wasn't even $100 sale at the time. And so you might say, yeah, it was just a couple of bucks, but that proved to me that this model worked. Eventually what ended up happening is more and more people started clicking on that link and started signing up for this particular product, or the software in this case. And as a result of that, within a few weeks, I'd made more than $100 by recommending that software. And to this day, that particular review video was done almost 2 years ago. Every month I make money off that particular video. So to sum up this video real quickly, I want you to ignore the noise. Don't chase the next big thing. I want you to choose one lane, one product, and take messy action or imperfect action, but stay consistent. If you're ready to make your first $100 online and skip the mistakes that I've made, there's a link beneath this video where I'll walk you through the exact affiliate system that I would start in 2025, and I think you should too.